Hey folks, I didn't want to say a lot about this until we actually took it out for a nice trip, and it just went 3,328 miles, and as you can see, still in great shape, and it protects the Jeep. If you buy one of these, it doesn't cover as much as this covers. This covers all the way to the right, all the way to the left, beyond the fenders. So it's only 7 feet 9 inches, and all I did was I took angle iron and welded it, and I bent it a little bit, as you can see. So I went ahead and I bent it around so it kind of curves around, and then when the wind hits it, it goes left and right. And yeah, so what I did is I took, I don't know what mill this is, but it was the highest mill that I could find as far as a tarp goes. And then what I did was I welded the metal together. I took pipe insulation and put it around the angle iron, and then I took and put this around that, and what I used was spray glue, babe?
Yeah.
Spray glue.
Elmer's spray glue.
Elmer's spray glue, and what I did is I doubled it. So I put it around this, doubled it, and you can see some of the seams where it come down. And then I just went in and just cut a bunch of holes and put the grommets on, and then used paracord, tied it all down. And I'm telling you, it worked. It works absolutely amazing. As you can see, the front of the Jeep, everything on the back has got a little bit, but yeah, it keeps the front of the Jeep really clean. So all I did was I went ahead and I put a cord here just so that I could just lift it up and I could take it off. And as you can see, I just welded on 2 pieces of old thread iron that I had.
Where's the thread iron?
Right here.
Oh, okay.
So those are the 2 pieces that go into this bracket that I built. Okay, so this is a blue ox hitch that you would buy, and the blue ox has these square channels on either side. So what I did is I just took a piece of pipe and I cut them, welded a piece of angle iron on there, and then what happens is these just kind of slide in. Nothing's bolted or nothing like that. It just slides in there. And then this rock guard slides into this so that they can't come out. They don't go anywhere. Like I said, we just went 3,000 miles. It's in great shape. Protects the Jeep from rock chips and all that. So, I mean, if you're interested in doing something like that, it's relatively pretty easy for somebody that has, you know, mechanical experience, I guess, and a little bit of experience with a welder. But yeah, I mean, to buy them things is like $289, and it only comes up to here. The measurements that I saw only come up to here, and it only goes to like right about here. So now I'm beyond the fenders and I'm high. So yeah, it just protects everything. So so thanks for watching, and God bless.